Welcome back to the IBFP. Here's your host, Boxing New.
Welcome back, fight fans. Welcome back. Let's just dig right into it. The speculation grows for Josh Taylor's next opponent. Now, if you look at it like this, Josh Taylor, coming off an electrifying win against Regis Prograis and winning the World Boxing Super Series, his name is being mentioned in a lot of rumors and speculations. And one of the things that is coming out is his short list for his next opponent. He has a lot of different options. He has Jose Ramirez. He has a rematch with Regis Prograis, Louis Ritson, and even one of the most interesting names is Vergil Ortiz. And I think that a Vergil Ortiz versus, at the end of the day, Josh Taylor fight, it just doesn't make sense to me. I understand that Josh Taylor stands about 5'10" with a 69.5-inch reach. And I understand that he's very big for 140, but that speculation doesn't make sense because Vergil Ortiz is truly a different type of animal. This kid is 14-0 with 14 knockouts, 100% knockout rate at welterweight. He's an orthodox fighter. He's 5'10" with a 70-inch reach and only 21 years old. He's knocked out his last two opponents he knocked out were two guys who had never been knocked out before. This is a special type of fighter. Him and Jose Ramirez spars together out of the Robert Garcia Boxing Academy. And I think that, more than likely Josh Taylor won't even consider Vergil Ortiz as the type of opponent to fight next. He's an extremely dangerous opponent. He's the type of guy that can hurt you, stop you, and just basically make hard work look easy. He's a very special kid, and I do understand that Josh Taylor has a very special skill set, but the only reason why I don't think this fight makes sense for him is that he would be moving up to welterweight to take the fight, and for two, I think that Josh Taylor is a special fighter, but he likes to dogfight, sit in the pocket at times, and that's just not something you can do against a guy like Vergil Ortiz. Vergil Ortiz is too big, too strong, too powerful, and his power has moved up in weight, and we've seen that. Vergil Ortiz is ready to be a championship contender. He's no prospect, so at this point, I just don't think that makes sense. But once again, Unbiased, as always, it's the IBFP. Please share, like, and you must absolutely subscribe.